my God. Nice.
Nope. Uh-oh.
Oh, I gotta mark that mulligan.
Nope. Excellent. Oh. What do you mean?
Yeah, on the wrong side of that.
Wow.
Good shot.
Wow. Oh, man.
I almost killed it. Ooh, nice tree.
Nice.
All right.
Hey, buddy.
Nice putt.
Driver putt. Should not have missed that one. Whoops.
Nice putt.
Nice.
Wow. I'll take that.
Yeah. Yeah, I'd like to go backhand on this gap, but that keypad didn't work.
Wow.
Oh yeah.
Wow. Nice shot.
A little deep, but that's still
Oh, wow.
great shot.
Oh,
Wow.
come on.
I'm out of the circle here, yeah? Definitely. Great round.
Oh, good run.
What? I'll take one more. Good use.
Is that your first shot, Joe?
Third.
Well, I got a 3. I hit.
What did we talk about?
Andy tree.
There it is. That'll work. Nice drive.
Wow.
Sparks.
Oh, I like.
Nope. Ooh.
Put it back right away. Nothing fun here. Oh, that was a good ass too. In the fairway. Good go. Get up. Get it. Oh, what a run. Oh. This slip I've had all day. Logan.
Wow. Great pick. Great pick.
There it is, that right to left forehand. Right. It pretty much did.
Yeah.
If you go a little stronger, it's going to go out.
Oops.
Oh, you didn't ask it.
Oh, yeah, there.
Get out. Up. Hold it. Hey, split him.
Let's see that split.
what I did. Good job. Nice. Nice putt. The same exact thing, but yeah, new. Nice putt, Andy. Wow. Oh man,
that was perfect. I mean, it's a gap.
Yeah, that's what I was going for.
you didn't hit any trees.
Right.
Nice job.
Thank you.
Good up. Good up.
Oh, nice.
Obviously, the right side is. Didn't hit a tree.
Nice.
Imagine my seat.
Turn. Oh, that's one way to get it. That's looking.
You did.
Oh.
This is our CT.
Oh, nice.
Okay.
Man, I almost fell on my butt.
That looks good. That's beautiful. Oh yeah. I don't know if it was the exact same tree, but same group of trees for sure.
Same invisible. So.
Definitely makes that line a little harder. Good, yeah.
Joe's not messing with those trees.
No, he likes that hyzer gap.
Oh, good run.
Great.
What's that?
Oh.
Whoops.
Great too.
Small enough to measure with. Take that mulligan. Good move.
Find a way to.
We are the last of this one.
There's a little mini gap there on that left side.
Oh God. Replacement shot. Oh wow.
That's that flex gap.
Wow.
Yeah, the back door.
That was really good.
You might have just died. That's all shut.
Didn't hit the first again.
Yeah, that's what you're supposed to do.
A little farther than
You're
that,
supposed to
though.
not hit a tree.
Throw it like that, but
Wow, that is the drill. You did.
oh wow.
Yeah, it's kind of weird. It's not that different from like if I'm. Oh,
He's going to.
What happened?
For a couple of years. He's
ridiculous. He's got a 425 foot forehand. Yeah. You know, hole 3.
Yeah.
He from the blues.
Yeah. Was pushing the woods on the right side.
Beautiful.
Nice.
Oh, I heard metal.
No way.
Forehand's right here. Ain't coming. Oh, you got so hard turn. Let's get over the table. Okay. Pretty good. Okay.
Free direction there.
Yeah.
What's up?
Wow.
That's a great,
That little
great shot.
Still good.
Even still. Get up. Bill wouldn't have had the wreck CTP here.
That was my dad's. That would work.
My dad's phone number on here.
Safe. Good kick.
Oh,
That's a good line.
that was a committed shot. That's fine. That's a great shot.
Way better than your last time.
See where that went? Try to follow.
Yep.
Did it a little bit better too.
Yep.
In. Wow.
That's money. Great shot. Damn.
Oh.
Even better. You forehand guys like it back a little.
Oh no. Safe.
I said it too early.
Oh no.
Oh no! Definitely using that.
Thank God.
Nah, no more forehand. No, I have to.
Oh. Aiming for the pin again. Oh, it just stopped. No skip. Good run. There we go. Nice fight.
You were on the basket? Yeah.
Oh, I'm just getting there.
Like 15 feet.